All right, let's get to your word of the day. It's a word we often mention on the show. It's mercurial. But what are you talking about? We usually use it in reference to a person, but what are you talking about?
Yeah, well, I think the market kind of has its own personality these days. We can talk about it as a person, and I think it's a great description of what we're seeing. When you talk about a person, it's sudden mood changes, things changing for an individual in the way that they look at things. The market is doing the same. This week is a perfect example, Frank. Look at the changes that we've seen in this market from day to day based on headlines out of Davos, based on things we've heard out of Japan. There's a lot of movement and volatility. We've seen really high moves in the VIX and the MOVE index. So I think it's a good description of this market and tells us that you need to be tactical in this type of market and maybe have a little bit of defense in your portfolio in order to account for that volatility.
Let me ask you, what is defense in this current market? For a while, and I've often mentioned this, that tech was a defensive trade. We're seeing small caps rally. You're saying play defense. What areas of the market are defensive right now?
Yeah, it's a really good question because you can take it from different areas, and it can be one actual defense stocks. We've seen them doing better, especially as there's anticipation that more money is going to be going that way. Typically, a lot of people would look at maybe staples as a defense stock, but staples have not been performing well at all. They have been a drag for the last 12 months. So I'm not necessarily saying it's staples. Look at those companies that have low PEs, good cash flows. They're in upward trends. Financials is a great area. I think you can do that in. Some of the industrials you can do that in. So you have to kind of be choosy, but it comes down to free cash flow and balance sheets, companies that can withstand volatility.
All right, you mentioned the financials. Leading us to your pick, it's PNC, a regional bank.
Yes, you had regional bank CEO on earlier today. Financials have been doing well. They've had that upward trend as a whole, but it was the larger banks that were doing it. We're now seeing these smaller regional banks really kind of take that baton in the financial sector. And you look at PNC, they beat on the top and the bottom. They had strong revenue growth, record revenue growth, 21% EPS growth for the year, record net interest income. And one of the things I think you have to look at regional banks is that efficiency ratio. How are they managing their expenses? That's so important for a regional bank, and that is improving for PNC. So I think as a whole, regionals are doing well. That KRE is a great place to look to invest, but PNC especially, good management, good balance sheet.
All right. By the way, congrats on your first marathon or half marathon. You just ran it. You say this market feels that way when you have a big hill in front of you. Is this earnings season, the big hill?
Well, earnings season is a big hill, but it's not the only one. This is going to be kind of a rolling hill marathon we're looking at. You've got potential government shutdown again. Hopefully we don't get there. You've got sticky inflation. Look at Supercore that came out this week, 3.3% year over year for Supercore. So that could be a hill that we're having to go over. There's a lot of policy initiatives that could give us some angst. We saw that this week as well. And I don't think we're out of a concern on the labor market right now. So those are just four elements right there that I think could be a little bit sticky.